So hey guys, so I made a switch with the wife's car. We got rid of the 2022 Acura MDX we had. It was a great car. We just didn't really need the third row anymore. Our oldest daughter has her own car now, so we never really used the third row. It was always down, maybe used it once or twice a year. And the gas mileage on those are not that great. So we traded it in, and I'm excited to be back with the Honda. It's been a while, and I know Acura, same family, but it is a little different. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up. So it's the 2024 Honda CR-V. We decided to get the EXL model. This is the all-wheel drive model. We were going back and forth with the hybrid, but we're going to do a lot of highway miles, and the hybrid on the highway gets the same as the 1.5 liter turbo. Now the hybrid's awesome in the city. It gets in the 40s, but this thing will be a huge improvement over the MDX. Really happy with it so far. We've had it a couple days here. It's a lot easier to get around. There's a little all-wheel drive sticker that they put on them. I would definitely going to be doing a lot of videos on this going forward. There's a lot of things you can do to it. We do want to delete some of the chrome, kind of like the hybrid does have. But this is just the first take of it. Just wanted to share it with you guys. Like I said, the gas mileage on this ranges from city about 27 to highway about 36. We do want to kind of black out the wheels here and the marker lights and all that kind of stuff. Just put little touches on it. You know, I'm not a huge fan of chrome, as you guys know. So there's easy ways to black this out. So I'll be definitely doing videos on that, show you how to do it different ways. But it drives really good. It does. Like I said, I've kind of miss having a Honda in the family. Just has the black leather here. It's really nice. They've done a nice job with it. Very simple. It does have a CVT. I'm not a huge fan of it, but for this car, it does well. And it helps it get better MPG, so that's always a good thing. My wife loves it, so that's the most important thing. Just so much easier to maneuver. Like I said, the MDX was nice. It was a great car. No issues with it. But like I said, the gas mileage, it never broke 19. And I was expecting a little bit more when we bought it with premium. So this thing already showing 27, and you know, it'll get better as it breaks in. So real nice. I'll be doing the floor mats and a lot of different things you can do to this. I like how Honda, there's a lot more parts available. So one thing about the Acura lineup, there's not a lot of aftermarket support for them. Not nearly what the Hondas are. And I can see why, because Hondas sell a lot more than Acuras. But yeah, I'll be doing a lot in the future. Different things. Cargo solutions. You know, protectant products. I got to put a wax on it, of course. But I just want to share with you guys. We picked up the Urban Gray. I think it's a really awesome color. I kind of wish they had it in the TLX when I got my TLX. I know they do now, but I like it. When the sun hits it, it has a nice pearl to it. It's a pretty color. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Share the new Honda back in the family. Like I said, definitely stay tuned. I'll be doing some nice touches on this as well. Some blackout kits, chrome deletes, different things like that. So I'm looking forward to it. So I hope everyone's having a good day out there. I appreciate it as always. I really do. If you have any questions, comments, definitely leave them below. I'll always get back to you. I always appreciate reading them. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.